Hey guys, thank you for watching the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to do a color comparison and size comparison between the 14 Pro in space black right here versus the 14 Pro Max here in the gold color here. So as you can see here, there are going to be quite differences in terms of the size. So you have a 6.1 inch display here versus 6.7 inch display. So when you look at side by side here, I have some relatively average size hands. That's how the 14 Pro fits on the hand. Now the 14 Pro Max fits just like that. So when it comes to, if you have average to bigger hands, probably the 14 Pro Max, I would say, and the 14 Pro if you prefer a smaller phone. But 6.1 inch still is pretty big for these phones. So here, as you can see, if we look from the front view here, holding it side by side at the same level, that's kind of the comparison. And that's where you look at. Now let's turn to the color differences between the gold and the space black. So the space black is the space gray or the midnight edition black here. And both of the phones come in the same set of colors. You got the gold, space black, silver, and then the new deep purple, which we did unboxing for all of these phones. So make sure you guys check out the unboxing for more details and the specs as well. So if you're looking at them, camera size wise, you'll notice the camera size are pretty big. Both of the phones have similar specs on the camera, which is that new main camera, which is 48 megapixel camera, and then the two other ones are 12 megapixel camera. So from the side angle here, again, just to show you the color differences in different light settings, that's how it's going to be looking for you. The gold seems like similar to the other previous generation of the gold. The black here just seems a little bit lighter, but that could be just my eyes deceiving me. And taking a look at the other side with that wave, as you'll notice here, the bezels are flat and shiny depending on the color you get. The gold one has a tint of gold, and then space gray, of course, has the space black has that black feature to it. So, and then top here, again, just for sake of it, that's how it's going to be looking like. Of course, they have different wallpaper based on the color you get, but you can change the wallpaper. And that always on feature, as you notice here, if you press on it, the always on activates. You got that dynamic island up top here, and both of the phones, again, pretty cool, interesting look in it. We reviewed the specs on it, and we're going to be doing some tests and drain tests, some camera tests. So if you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe button, make sure you subscribe so you can see those updates. We're going to hear from you guys also what next unboxing and comparison video you guys want to do for us to do on the 14 lineup. I'll leave a comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you guys found this video helpful. See you guys next time.